Mũthenya wa Jumatatu, atumia arĩa mananyitirĩra iturwa itiganĩte thirikari-inĩ na mũingĩ-inĩ iria hau kabere cionagwo ta irĩ cia arũme aika maracemanĩtie mũciĩ kwa ndagĩtarĩ Mũringo kĩrĩa-inĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi kũrathima mũtirithia wa Raila Odinga Martha Karua. Atumia aya maugĩte maũndũ marĩa mahũranagĩra ona macererwo mathiĩte na mbere gũkinyanĩrio na kwamũrwo gwa Karua nĩ Odinga nĩ kwambatĩrĩtie mwĩhoko wao ona makĩria.
Your Excellency, and we have no apologies to make calling you that because it's going to be that way. Martha Karua, if you know the prayers that are being said for you today in Kenya, you would be flattered.
I am sure the ladies on the front table there, today is a very special time for them because this is the dream that they have been fighting for.
One day we can see you coming from one county and then you are in another. So, as I say, it's good to be young.
And I said, we are celebrating this long journey. We have very great reason to celebrate.
Mongereire ati Karua ndamũrirwo nĩ Odinga tondũ tu nĩ mũtumia, ĩndĩ nĩ kumana na ũmenyo na ũhoti ũrĩa arĩ naguo ona wa gũtuĩka president.
What made me really happiest is I know Martha Karua is not a flower girl. She is not a flower girl. If today I wake up and I hear Karua is the president, I will just say amen because she is able.
Martha is just there, one step, and we reach the top. And we said before we pass on, we must make sure that that happens. So it is possible. And we have got that strong hand that's going to break that top glass.
When we fight for Madam Martha here, we know we are sending a true representative of women. And women issues, because we are always told, oh, you women. Women issues are family issues. Because it's women who care about families. So even the men and children are included in those women issues.
God has given you the strength, and indeed, you know that you have the goodwill of Kenyan people to do what you are doing.
She stands not just for herself, but for all Kenyan women. She stands ready to right the wrongs that stain our motherland, to bring down dividing walls and create bridges of understanding. She assumes the stage to address the suffering of Kenya's majorities, to use the megaphone in her hands to advocate justice for all people.
Atumia aya marauga riu ni ihinda riao munene na munini kumathira Odinga na Karua kura.
So how many are promising me to go to work from today? Mkono juu, to make sure that Mother and Azimio Raila Amolo Odinga gets to State House.
And as women, we have a duty. Let us bring all women on board to make sure we deliver our next Deputy President and our future President of the Republic of Kenya.
But I would pledge today, Martha, to gather as many of my intelligent, influential, deeply committed, vanilla-colored sisters to vote for you.
As much as we're saying, yeah, we support Martha and we're excited about it, if we don't deliver the votes on August 9th, about 14 million votes, and 6 million of them being women, it will be such a lost opportunity.
Nake Karua nyitĩrĩire atĩ mweke ũyũ ahetwo nĩ a Kenya kũhetũkĩra Odinga nĩ wa andũ othe bũrũri-inĩ.
We can almost feel it. We can almost touch it. That's where the excitement is. So may I begin with a call to action. Let us make it happen. Let us make it happen. So that we may free our daughters, our grandchildren, to just walk in like they belong, the way our sons do.
Augĩte atĩ we na Odinga nĩ meharĩirie gũkanjĩrĩria gũtungata mũingĩ mathurwo tarĩki 9 mweri ũkĩte.
Because we are facing a moment that we need to all actively do something to get our nation
to the path that we wanted to go. A misstep at this time may cost us decades, if not a century. And those promises we make, people won't wait for 100 days. By the second day, they'll be wanting to know what it is that we are doing. I am ready, able, and willing. So help me God.
Aduini Hainoro TV kuma guko kaunti ya Nairobi jitago Harun Njoroge wa Maina.